Are at an IB Green renovation. Brandon is doing today dust-free or almost dust-free drywall finishing. We have a dehumidifier running. We have fans running. Brandon is now going to start the negative air as we pull in everything. Brandon, start the negative air, please. This negative air machine pulls all the air from the outside surrounding building, thus allowing no dust to come in. Brandon is now going to activate our vacuum system and is going to show you it's just direct sanding with vacuum assisted sanding devices. Go ahead, Brandon. As can be seen, there is almost no dust coming off the sanding. Another tip from IB Green.